What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So here is my Huawei Honor Note 10. I really love my Huawei Honor Note 10 because this is the best phone ever built. So now I wanna show you the app. Guess which one? Student mode, which is a really very useful app. So go to the student mode. As you can see, meet your child phone habit. Manage your child phone habit. You can limit the browsing. You can block the pornographic site. You can make a time limit. For example, my son or daughter could not use a phone for more than 1 hour. Even I can check where my kids are located. By the way, I have no kids. Pray for me, please. God give me kids. So this student mode. Again, if you buy a Huawei phone, this is same for any Huawei phone. Student mode is a must app. If your daughter or child or someone, maybe it's a teenager, under teenager should not use the phone. Why they are using their phone? They should play. Again, again it depends. Maybe someone is going to like secondary school. She or he is like 10, 11 years old. This age is like where you need to manage your kids very carefully. Maybe they can fall into bad habits. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy. Check out the links in the description box. Subscribe. Bye.